In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom function in Zoho Books using their powerful automation features. This process will help you automate repetitive tasks and tailor the software more closely to your business needs. Let's dive right in. To start, you'll need to navigate to the Settings menu. Look for the familiar gear icon positioned at the top right corner of your Zoho Books dashboard. Clicking this will open a wealth of options that can enhance and customize your Zoho Books experience. For now, direct your attention to the Automation tab, an invaluable section for boosting your workflow efficiency. Once you're there, you'll want to click on Workflow Actions. This area is essentially the command center for automating and streamlining your tasks. Now, let's shift over to the Custom Functions, which you'll find on the sidebar. Clicking here will take you to the section where magic truly happens. You're going to create a new custom function, and to get started, simply click the New Custom Function button. When you're setting up this new function, the first thing you'll need to do is provide a clear and descriptive name for it. This will help you quickly identify what the function does later on. Next, you'll choose the module with which the function will be associated. You might select from choices like bills, sales orders, or another module that fits your specific needs. This association is crucial as it determines where your function will operate within Zoho Books. At this point, you'll be working in the script editor, and it's here that you can truly personalize this tool by writing your custom function using Zoho's Deluge script. Deluge is Zoho's proprietary scripting language, known for its straightforward syntax that empowers you to create complex automation sequences. For convenience, you can drag and drop parameters and conditions from the sidebar directly into your script. This feature can greatly simplify your scripting process, allowing you to tailor each action precisely. If you're not sure where to start with your scripting, consider creating something like a function that updates a field in a related module. This is a common use, and starting with an example can help clarify the connection between your data and the operations you wish to automate. Once you've completed writing your script, it's time to save all your hard work. Simply click the Save button, and your custom function will be set and ready to use. Remember, these functions can save you a significant amount of time by automating actions that you would otherwise have to do manually. By following these steps, you can harness the power of Zoho Books' custom functionalities to cater perfectly to your business requirements. Thanks for watching, and happy automating!